Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of this bit of metal stuff, bending, some more grinding, a little more welding, and then we'll put some filler on this, take a look at it, see how it looks, and keep going with this thing. Let's see what happens. So yeah, let's get this front done. Maybe do some priming, some other parts too. I don't know. I got to do that stuff, but right now I just need to finish this front. I just want to get this done. this again. Had a failure there. All right, let me put on my respirator. We'll shoot this thing out. Bring you guys back in a second. All right. Shoot that another coat in a minute. Well, I think you guys could see. Put on my respirator again. Mixed it a little thin. Okay, you guys saw I did not do anything more than what you saw in the video. So it's still got a little bit of low spot right there. I know it's going to have some waves in it. It needs to be block sanded and then guide coated so that I can find all the stuff really easily and quick. And then I'll straighten out all the lines. All this little stuff here will come out with primer. Probably put another, probably at least another coat on there. I got this dry though. Let's take a look at it. Still wet. We'll let this dry for a little bit and I'll bring you guys back in and we'll take a look at it. As you can see, there's a little bit of a dip going on right there. It's actually, yeah, it's just a little bit, but it'll go away almost with 1-2 blocks on there. All the lines, I can get all those lines perfect again. You won't even see that it's jaggedy. None of mine look that way. This is just the first coat of primer. So, you know, you do your blocking, you do your glazing, which I'm out of the good glazing right now, so I'm waiting for that to come. And so I haven't been able to really do the good glazing. I have some other glazing that works, but it doesn't work like the other stuff I like. I like that Pro Glaze by USC. It's really fast sanding. Another one really good is that U-Pole one I heard, which I don't know which one. There's a few different U-Pole ones. Is good. I don't know which one. I have to call somebody to ask them exactly which one it is. But anyway, you can see the nose is going to look good. I mean, it look just like it was never damaged when I'm done, or you know, cut open or anything. But right now, of course, this is a rough look. You know, it's not finished. That's your first coat of primer. I'm gonna put another coat on that, and then go ahead and finish this out here. Let's take a look right from the front. How about that? That looks pretty good. Not bad. Just you can see the lines. The lines are a little jaggedy. They gotta be done by hand. Talk to you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. See what you guys think. Make those comments.